Career Curators, your learning mate. Hi, welcome to this video from Career Curators on how to align your work with your purpose and passion. If you're feeling stuck, bored, or unfulfilled in your career, you might be wondering how to find and follow your true calling. In this video, you will learn what passion and purpose are, why they are important, and how you can align your career with them. Let's begin with, what are passion and purpose? Passion is the feeling of enthusiasm, excitement, and joy that you have for something that interests you. Purpose is the sense of meaning, direction, and contribution that you have for something that matters to you. When you align your career with your passion and purpose, you are doing something that you love and that makes a positive difference in the world. Why are they important? Alignment is important because it affects how you feel and how you perform in your career. When you are aligned with your passion and purpose, you are more likely to experience flow, the state of optimal engagement and creativity. You are also more likely to have higher levels of motivation, satisfaction, and well-being. On the other hand, when you are not aligned with your passion and purpose, you are more likely to experience stress, burnout, and dissatisfaction. How to find your passion and purpose? You can start by asking yourself some questions, such as, how to align your passion and purpose with career? You can start by assessing your current situation, such as, reviewing your journey so far and thinking about what passions you've had and currently have, and whether they share any qualities. Seeking better alignment by taking stock of your favorite activities. Opening yourself up to opportunities and spending more time involved in activities that reflect your purpose. That's it for this video on how to align your work with your purpose and passion. I hope you found it helpful and inspiring. Please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching and see you next time.